Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you where you can sell your AI art that you created on whether it's Night Cafe Studio or Leonardo or Midjourney, etc. Where can you sell your art? And I'm going to share with you about 4 to 5 different places that you can get started besides Amazon, merged by Amazon. Okay, so these are the alternatives to merge in Amazon in case you couldn't get accepted into the program or what have you. So right now, let's get started. So the first one, you probably heard about it before, is called Redbubble. So this one is a print-on-demand place that you can upload your art, and then it has a lot of different features and options for you. It's listing out and clothing, different kind of clothing here. So it could be t-shirt, hooding, sweatshirt. Then it does stickers for you, and then phone case, wall art, and then home and living. Look at all these different options. I think Redbubble is probably, I would say, like second to like compared to Amazon, has and other print on demand platform. This platform has a lot of different options for you. They have pets, blankets, mats, accessory. Look at all these different options here. Stationery. They have gifts, and they have so many different other designs that a lot of different people don't have. Other platform doesn't have. So if you want to go into like uh, hiking or let's just say golfing, say for example, yeah. So they have all different designs here and stickers that you can use or can sell, and you can really sell a lot of different types. Look at how many different options here. I was just so amazed at different options, and the quality is really good as well. Um, and then the next one I want to say is going to be called T Public. So T Public has um, a lot of option as well, but it's an alternative to Redbubble. And I know that they have an option for you to do so many things here, like top, what is it? Case and stickers, notebook, wall art, pillow, totes, and TeePublic has been a part of Redbubbles. I'm not sure you're aware of it, but TeePublic is the things that you load on Redbubble, you can also load on TeePublic as well. Okay, the next one I have is called Teespring. Now with Teespring, you can do the same thing. You can load a lot of different options on Teespring, but the thing is you probably have to drive a little more traffic to to your listing, and then it start to sell for you after you make your initial sales. And so, but it's still an alternative that might, if you already created the design and things like that, you can might as well start uploading on these different platforms. Now the next one I have is going to be called Threadless, and Threadless also have a lot of different options here that you can create it here. Look at this: theme, artist, apparel, headband, accessory. Look at all these accessories: stickers, mugs, bags, all sort of stuff here. Greeting cards, even spiral notebooks, line notebook, wall art, and these are the part where you can really shine when it comes to home decor and community and things like that. Okay. Last not least, it's gonna be Zazzle. Zazzle has a lot of different things that you can do, such as buy gifts under $50. They have anything that's listed for like invite cards and coolers and hot sauce, all sort of stuff on here. So you can be very creative and um, do a lot of things with your design, and might as well, if you're gonna have a friend who's gonna purchase things from you, you can also get $25 refer a friend to spend on the platform. So it's pretty neat that you can do that as well on here. They have trends and gifts and all sort of stuff. Mother's Day gift, because Mother's Day is coming up in May here at the time of this recording. And I just wanted to show you one more, and it's going to be called There's a couple more, but I just want to show you this one is more print on demand, and it's more so spreadshirt. And so you can also do a lot of things. It's more focused into like these apparel and baby clothing, aprons, and mugs, cap, hats, things like that. And this is the one that this is embroidery, and not a lot of people, not a lot of platform has them. They also have what is it? Phone cases, accessory, and home and living stickers, gift, all sort of stuff here. So I hope this videos help you to have a good start about five or six different places, 5 different places besides Amazon by Merchant case you can get in. If you can get in, that's great. But these are the places I would probably recommend that you get started, because you can definitely buy in bulk and buy it, for your mom, and then you can for your loved ones. All these different options for your design is pretty neat. That you might as well just load it on different platforms, so that it would help you to spread your audience and your customer, your reach, so that you can make more sales. So let me know what you think about these different platform here. First is going to be Redbubble, and then second is going to be T Public, and then third is going to be Teespring that you can sell, and then it's going to be Threadless, Zazzle. Here's Zazzle, and Zazzle has a lot of things. I think I want to say they also allow you to do instant download, birthday shop. Yeah, it's pretty a lot of different things customized for you, and you can sell a lot of things on here. So let me know what you think about these different platform here. Okay, and then last not least is going to be Spreadshirts right here. Spreadshirts. Okay, so it's more focused into like shops and apparel, kids stickers and gifts. Okay, um, and don't forget to let me know what you have started. And I have posted over hundreds of videos on my YouTube channel for free for you, so you can learn how to create your own digital products, how to make money online. If you're interested in to create an online business, whether it's going to be digital products, download, or ebooks, or designs, courses, membership, things like that. I have a lot of different videos, and also talking about no code app builders, things like that. If you're interested in creating, like for a person's non-tech, how to create an app for your blog, your YouTube channel, your podcast, your brand, your shops, etc. I have all that on here in case you're interested in all those no code app builders. Like anybody can go in and create a platform for your community, your course, etc. Okay, so I hope you enjoy those videos and you learn something, and then you can apply it, and don't, for free. You don't have to pay for it. All these hundreds of videos on these. You can get started. Until next time.